Alright, I'm making a recording of the sewer here at 12:30 Knox East. Date is November 19th, 2020. Making this recording from the clean out on the side of the house here. So we are down right near a manhole, right near the city main. So I think with some jetting and cleaning, I'd probably be able to get this camera into that main, but we got a bunch of sand and debris. Mark, you're welcome to walk around and watch this. This recording is for you. So I'm actually gonna zero out my footage out there. As you can see, we're ducking into this darkness. That's like some sand and debris that's down in the line that needs to get cleaned out. That is coming from, more than likely, you can see it a little bit more there. Coming because the seams are starting to separate in the pipe. So these old sewer lines, when they're installed, have a seam about every 2 feet. As a new chunk of pipe, and at those seams, over time, they start to separate, and
like there,
allow sand in. Yeah, none of these ones have looked too bad thus far, but I'm guessing the issue's further back.
Now this is all old lines so far, correct?
Yep, this is all original sewer line to when this house was built.
I saw in the other video some evidence of green.
Some green?
Green pipe,
I
yeah.
haven't seen it yet.
That'll probably be pretty close to the house, I would guess.
Yeah. Got some pretty good sand through this area. And we don't have the greatest grade through here. It's not terrible. I mean, this camera's sitting, that head's sitting a half an inch off the bottom of the pipe. So there's probably a good 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of water sitting in this pipe at all times.
What do you think the diameter is?
Well, it should be in 6-inch diameter still through here. You actually go turn, well, we'll do that in a second here. Got the kitchen sink running, which is not helping us right now, but I'm gonna probably redo this without it running.
Do we need to go through and get depths on the second return?
So coming out of now, I just want to see where that kitchen sink's coming out.
Okay.
You have just the kitchen sink running right now, correct?
Yes, the kitchen sink.
Okay. So that's tied in inside the house. So that's a good thing. It's not going to affect any of the work we're doing out here. I didn't see anything tied in down the line.
At all?
No. Though we are a little bit flat. Now I'm going to put a little skid on it to pop up the camera, and we'll turn that sink off and get a better look one more time.
Okay.
I'm going to locate this spot though. I'm going to end the recording at that point. The cast iron inside looks good, so we've seen that.